If you're someone who loves pancakes as much as I do, but you're trying to watch your carbohydrates, or maybe you're on the keto diet, this pancake recipe is for you. This is my keto pancakes recipe that you will absolutely love. It's something that I made in my live show, and this is what they look like. Let's take a look at that recipe now. Okay, so all you're gonna need, and I'm gonna let you screenshot the recipe in just a moment, but this is what we're doing. And we're putting 2 eggs. So what I love about this, it's all in the blender, super simple. 2 eggs are going into your blender, and then you're putting in an ounce of cream cheese. Now, if you're dairy-free, you don't have to do the cream cheese. You can just do the recipe without the cream cheese, but it just adds a little bit, and you may have to alter the other dry and wet ingredients a little bit, but you will love the fact that, you know, you can make this dairy-free if you want to. Now we're adding a little bit of baking powder, so a half a teaspoon of that baking powder is going in there as well, and a combination, so 2 tablespoons of almond flour into the blender and 2 tablespoons of coconut flour. Now these are great options if you're gluten-free. These are great options if you are keto or if you are watching your carbohydrates. These are the types of flours that are amazing. A little bit of almond milk, and you may need a little bit more or a little bit less depending on, you know, the consistency of your flours. Some are a little bit more water soaking and some are a little less water soaking. So I'm gonna reserve a little bit. I'm gonna see what my consistency is like. With that, a little bit of vanilla goes into there for just a bit of flavor, and just a pinch of salt. So just for flavor, just a pinch of salt. There we go. And I'm gonna blend this up really quickly. And you can pulse it, but basically, you don't have to do too much blending. Super, super simple. And then you pour that into your hot pan. I use grass-fed butter in my pan, so I'm not gonna do that just for time's sake. So you're gonna heat up your pan, put some butter in there, and make your pancakes. And this is how they turn out. Oh my goodness, delicious. Top it with whatever you like, maple syrup, butter. Of course, I put butter on mine. And of course, it was breakfast at Wimbledon's. We had to put the strawberries, and that's exactly what I did. I topped it with regular maple syrup. You could do low-carb maple syrup as well. It's totally up to you. I hope you try this recipe. They're absolutely delicious. It's something that you're gonna love for yourself and your family as well. For a delicious keto-friendly gingerbread loaf recipe, check out my video, Gingerbread Loaf Recipe Keto Friendly. I'll see you there.